can't live like this.
Bakit mo yung paligid natin?
Ah!
The side trip.
Ay, gago.
Di ba ako pwede iwan ng ulan?
Gago. Umikot mag-isa.
Hindi ako sinabihan.
Ang ganda ng view natin.
Yung mga ano nila, no, kali-kalye nila.
Oo.
Ilalim ng tulay, ang ganda. Ilalim ng tulay natin, yung tao.
Sino to? Historic site.
Bago si Erin.
Senior Thomas Stamford Raffles. Sa pala
Kaya
yun.
para Raffles City.
Oo.
City ba?
Street ata. Ano, ilang minutes na lang?
Bago ako yun ba yun? Yun yun, no, na lights.
Nasaan?
Sabi ko sa'yo, malapit lang.
Pwede uminom muna tayo ng tubig somewhere.
Oo. Hindi ko maipatubig kasi may pa-rides. Yun yung Clark Way. Or gusto mo, uwi tayo. Let's freshen up.
Tsaka tayo magganyan?
Saka tayo kumain sa Clark Way.
Hindi, feeling ko kumain na muna tayo bago tayo umuwi.
Kahit naman rin na tayo lumabas.
Oo. Para sa uwian natin. Freshen up and then transfer ng files and then everything else. Right? On the way to Extreme Swing and Slingshot. We're in the underpass. Ganito yung tsura ng underpass sa kanila. Hindi pa kami kumakain ni Soyam, so most probably we're gonna eat first before anything else. Oh, I'm so tired. Like, ang ganda ng Thailand. Ang ganda ng Singapore, grabe. It's one of the prettiest countries na matalagang masasabi mo nakakaangat sa life. Sobrang ganda niya, as in, it's so modern. It's so modern. It's like the whole country is BGC pero mga 10 times more bougie than BGC. And then you'll see people around like that na nagra-run lang even though it's raining. Then you'll also see a lot of entertainment things that you can do, like slingshot. Yeah, yung may ilaw na yan, that's slingshot. And then you can also do yung mga boat rides in the river. That's also one thing that you can do. There are a lot of malls. Baka mahilig din sila mag-mall gaya ng Pilipino. So ayun, long story short, hindi kami nakapag slingshot and extreme swing ni Soyem kasi umuulan. Sabi nung operate, sabi nung operator ng slingshot and extreme swing, we cannot do it yet kasi there's a high chance of lightning kasi umuulan daw. So we're not gonna push for it. And then itong extreme swing, gagawin namin siya sa Friday kasi there's a high chance of lightning daw. So unfortunately, that's gonna be postponed. Kasi today talaga yung nakaschedule namin sana for that. Ayun lang. Okay, we are here in this bridge, whatever this is. It's red, Taylor's version. Ito sa ilaw, no?
Yung dilim.
Dito yung
Well, okay lang kahit madilim. Singapore has the lowest rate in crimes.
Yes,
according
that
sa
is
Google.
true.
Baka red na yung kinakanta ni Taylor, kaya red yung
So, hindi kakatapos ng red kanina. Nung nandun tayo nakaupo tayo, red na siya eh.
Gagawin ko.
Sinerge ko.
Kasi ba sa...
Oo nga eh. Sarap pa naman oh. Ganda.
Ang sarap na may yung tahimik, yung may sound trip pero tahimik lang.
Tsaka malayo yung sound. Hindi yung nakabulat-lat sa...
Bawal kasi maupusan nga ako saan-saan dito. No? Kaya kung wala tayong makainan. Mahal ata dito around Parkway.
Ha?
Mahal ata dito around Parkway.
Parkway. Oo, kasi ano to eh. Hoy, ano yun? Hoy, meron na!
Let's go!
Oh my gosh! Slingshot it is! It's not raining anymore! Sino uuwi sa hotel? Hindi uuwi!
We're so close to going home!
Buti din tayo nag-ano.
Nag.
Shit. Okay. Okay.
Shot.
Pupunta kami sa slingshot. Doon na lang ako magpa-vlog ulit. Because my limbs are so tired na. Okay, slingshot time. Are you ready?
I'm getting ready.
Ah, nakakatakot. Oh my gosh. Pray for us. Slingshot and extreme swing.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that both. Oh my goodness. There.
Recommended that we try this first instead of the... or maybe we should have... That's scarier? Really? Okay, let's go with this one.
Okay.
So you're going for both rides, right?
What?
This ticket is for slingshot. And slingshot only, right?
Yeah, but we also bought for the extreme swing. What is this ba? What's this? The extreme
Slingshot.
Oh, that's the slingshot. Where is it? Wait, can I borrow?
I don't know if you can see it, but my hands.
It comes with complimentary video, right?
Yeah, we'll airdrop you the video.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Kaya ba natin to?
Shit, kaya natin yan. Wala pa tayong kain.
Here you go. So for the slingshot will be the red color lane.
Okay.
And then for the swing will be the blue color lane.
Alright.
The swing is scarier. Have fun. I hope.
The thing is still here. Sige, let's go.
Okay, thank you so much.
so much.
Shit.
Dito ba?
Alright.
Relax, enjoy the ride.
Okay.
We're gonna try.
Yeah, I'm nervous. Hello, okay na ako ba? Oo, sobra.
So, Yim!
What's my name?
Hi! Before...
Okay. Hello! Wait na lang!
Kaya natin to, Lord.
Bakit umuuga?
You guys wanna count down?
Can we do that?
Yeah.
10,
Yeah.
9,
Are you gonna follow the countdown? Yeah. Make sure to follow the countdown.
5.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god, your harness.
Wait! Oh my God! Ang saya nun!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Ang saya nun!
Oh my god!
Wow! Oh my gosh! Hindi ko in-expect na ganun sa kasaya.
Okay, let's stay here. Ito pala yung tahimik na hinahanap natin. Kanina pa kami naghahanap ng tahimik na area dito sa Singapore.
So oh my gosh!
Bigla pang gumanon bigla. Bakit kanina umuso?
Oh, if I can do it again, I would.
Oh my gosh, that was worth it!
Kaya nga, ang saya nun sobra. Oh my gosh, best ride ever. Ang saya nun, oh my gosh, natutuwa ako.
Isa pa po. Isa pa. That was fun.
That was so good. Oh my gosh!
Wait lang! Ang taas naman!
Wait! Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh,
What the fuck?
mas nakakatakot nga to, Soyem!
May video pa lang!
Oh my gosh! Soy, mas nakakatakot to.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Lord!
Hoy!
Soyem, deliver.
Tama na!
This is so high! This is too high! sobra.
Alright?
1. So, yung bilang ka ha. Uy, nanginginig pa ako.
Woo!
Let me see. Sorry.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go!
Naiiyak ako! Naiiyak ako!
Ito yung ginagawa namin sa first day namin sa Singapore!
Grabe!
We do it today!
Oh my God!
Woo!
Saya! Oh my gosh! Ang saya-saya!
Vlog! Saya!
Hi vlog! Grabe! Guess what we just did? Anong ginawa natin?
Ina-snap.
Tapos na agad. Yun na yun. Grabe. Pero grabe yun. Naubos yung adrenaline ko in fairness.
Ang saya na mag-pull ng lever.
Yeah. So, what we did today is
Ano sauce nilagay mo? Are
Wala
we
pa.
supposed to put sauce?
ginger tsaka chili sauce eh. Why did not... Masarap. Okay, so for me,
Hindi na kailangan ng sauce.
grabe. Si
Medyo
Soyem
salty.
ordered roasted chicken and I ordered roasted pork.
In order
And
for
then-
roasted chicken,
Yes.
instead of steamed chicken, kasi may balat yung roasted chicken.
Yes, and then hindi nabalatan yung chicken.
Nawala yung balat.
Okay, grabe. Pawis ko. Okay, I think naubos na yung energy ko. After nito, balik na kami sa hotel. Pero ang ginawa namin is nag-ride na kami ng slingshot and ano yung isa? Slingshot and extreme swing. Magkasunod. Mas malala pala yung extreme swing kaysa sa slingshot.
Actually,
I
okay lang na
recommend.
inuna natin yung ano,
Slingshot.
extreme swing. Ay, ano ba slingshot?
Ang sarap naman nito. Lasang gulaman. Ayun lang for today's video. Kain tayo. Nakikita ka ba? Yeah, after 2 hours of doing this.
Exit.
Please make a selection if you present card or mobile phone.
Oh, tap down. Yun na.
Ayaw niya talaga sis. Ay, gago. Wait lang. Visa.
Hindi naman yan napipress eh.
Ayoko na. Hindi na ako bibigyan ng... Oh! Grabe! Grabe, Zoyem. Yung... Paa mo parang dates na. Yung akin normal
Ito lang
pa.
yung basa eh. Ito hindi basa pa ako. Kasi ito yung basa niya umabot sa
Sa ano?
ibabaw. Tapos ito, hindi naman basa.
Uy, parang nawalan ng dugo yung ano mo, paa mo.
Oh, see? The other one is alive. And well.